What is up, YouTube? We back at it again on the UAB Dynasty Rebuild. So, we're 0-3. Little recap on last week. Yeah, we got beat bad by Auburn. It was close to start the game. It was tied at like 7-7. And then they pulled away on us. And hey, that's just how it is. Our quarterback had his best game so far, but wasn't good enough. So here's a quick little recruiting update for y'all. 5-star quarterback. We were just pulling away with him, man. And we're gonna be able to take him on a visit soon. Give him all the NIL money he wants, all the strippers, shit like that. But yeah. Without further ado, let's just hop into this game against Michigan. Let's go. Alright, we starting with the ball, y'all. I have a good feeling about this game, man. Let's go. Alright, first play. Let's see if we can get something. Okay. Not bad. 4th and 3. Of course we're going for it, man. Catch it. Let's go. Alright, here we are. 4th and 7. Biggest play of the game so far. Of course we're going for it. We're not punting it. Touchdown. 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 Let's fucking go, boys. Ryder Burton has been having himself two hell of a weeks. Like, this is beautiful. I love to see it. Alright, I got a good feeling, boys. If we can get a nice little defensive stand here, then that's huge. Good tackle. Oh, no way. No way. What the hell is that, EA? Are we fucking serious? Good, we're good. Let's run 4 verts again. Let's beat them deep over the middle again. Beat them right there, though. Let's run a little play action here. We haven't ran that yet. Oh, wow. We'll take it. Go. Go. Let's go. Good run, Braylon. Let's get it. Let's get a tutty here. Let's get a tutty. Let's go. Dunk that shit. Fellas, I told y'all I have a good feeling about this game. Oh, fuck. That's on me. I know what they're gonna try to do. They're gonna try to throw it short and over the middle. We're gonna pick it off. I lied. Aw, damn. So let's try and give it to Braylon McReynolds again, our bell cow. It's a great gain. 3rd and inches. We gotta run direct snap. Never mind, no we don't. We're gonna run 4 verts. Audible into 4 verts. Oh, he burnt him. He burnt him. He's gone. Got at the 20. Ryder Burton. 142 yards and 1 touchdown on the day. Having the best game of his career. Braylon McReynolds down to the 2. Let's go, boys. Oh, 1 trap. Right up the middle. Get in. Touchdown, UAB. Braylon McReynolds, 2nd of the day. There's a bit of hope around this team right now, man. We keep the lead going into halftime. I know Michigan gets the ball to start the 2nd half, so if there's a way that we can prevent him from scoring here, that would be huge. I don't know what the hell he's doing. Dummy. Fucking loser. Hey, get him, get him, get him. Good tackle, boy. Call a timeout. Let's get this ball back. Oh, how did he not pick that? No! Oh my god. I cannot believe we didn't just pick that off. They're pressing again. Homeboy on the right side is going to get burnt again. I told you. Oh, but he underthrew it. Did he catch it? No! Oh, over the middle! God! 10 seconds to go. Yeah, we should probably just take the field goal right here. Alright, this should be good. Please. Oh my fucking god. Alright. Alright, we gotta put that in the pass there. Let's get a good stop here. Maybe force a turnover. Oh yes. I fucking love that. Fucking love that. Hey, we love that. We love that. Great fucking defensive possession to start the second half. Oh, he's just begging to get burnt again. He's begging to get burnt again. Oh no, why did I throw it? Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my god. Alright. Let's get a Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Alright. I'm a little bit nervous, and I don't typically get nervous, but I'm getting a little bit shaky here, boys. Oh yes. Let's go. 3rd and inches. We gotta give it to McReynolds. Just let him pound it over the line, maybe. We can block. This is really not good. And McReynolds is probably gonna get hurt soon. And of course, we're going for it on 4th and 2. He's open. Catches it. 1st down. Open? No. Can't hold on to it. I sure as hell would have held on to that, I'm not gonna lie. We're going for it if we don't get it. 4th and inches. Oh dear. We have got to take Braylon McReynolds out before he gets hurt. God, this hurts coach to do, but we have got to take him out before he gets hurt. He's just gonna be a liability with red wear and tear. That's all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come no fuck. Shit. This is not good. Oh, this is extremely not good. Pick that. Oh, fuck. He got burnt. Oh, into the brick wall they go. Fuck Mr. Brightside, man. We're not listening to that shit. No. Stop fucking singing. Direct snap. Oh my gosh. Just hold a block. This O-line is so bad. Of course we're going for it, though. He's open. Catches it. Makes a move. Down at the 50. Let's go. Can hit homeboy real quick. Get some quick yards. Let's go. 7 catches for 90 yards, and I don't even know who the fuck that is. Ooh, they're pressing. Oh, let me audible. Please, 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 please let me audible. Let's go. Snap it, 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 snap it. Fuck. Fuck. Okay, 4th and inches. Biggest play of the game. Catch it. Oh my god, why did he fucking jump at it? Oh my god. Why? Oh, and I miss it. Okay, we're gonna need to. Alright, we're gonna have to strip the ball here, boys. Alright, that is the best, not the best case scenario, but one of the best case scenarios for us. Get him. Get him. 3rd and 3. Oh boy.
He's so poised that initially he's flushed out of the pocket, nothing's open, and he doesn't panic. He's not throwing it away, he's not sliding early.
Get him. No, 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 no.
And he's able to attack that space with his speed and get a positive play.
Oh my gosh. That is awful. Oh no. And I just got juked. Oh my god. Gotta make him fumble. That's all we can do now. Fuck. Okay. Wow. What the hell? Come on. Come on. Stop him. Okay. That's good. That's good. Is there any way he misses this, fellas? Is there any way? Come on, miss it. Miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it. Okay, made it. Roughing the kick. Oh, you fucking dumbass. Brother. Why would he just do that? What the hell? And that's the fucking game. Wow. I cannot believe it. We really should have beat these guys. That is heartbreaking.
This is a big challenge now for your offensive line. Those guys up front, you've got to find a way against a defense that knows you're going to do it. They make the stop, but there is a
another flag. We'll see what that's all about. Oh my god. Oh, bro.
That's just an obvious face mask penalty there.
I cannot believe it. How did we lose that game? Wow. And we lose our 4th game of the year.
It's just not your day. Things just didn't work, and that seemed to be the case here. Yeah, they didn't get the W. They didn't do enough. But now you start to think about what could I have done differently. What do I
That hurts. Braylon McReynolds had a great game, but again, can't stay healthy. Ryder Burton had an excellent first half. Oh my god. Whoever the fuck this is, CJ Smith, he had a really good game.
That's going to do it for us
That is a tough loss. Wow. I'm speechless. But I think that ought to do it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna probably go fucking sulk in my room after that. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Make sure to come back next week. Schedule's gonna get easier. And hey, donk us out, fellas.